Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how I can adjust the duration of your auto velocity using this new feature on CapCut mobile. Super simple. You are just going to select the video. You do have to select it. Then you're going to select style. You're going to find auto velocity. It's to the very right under video effects, so select it. And for instance, you want to adjust the duration a little bit, so you're just going to select it again. You can then select the adjust the interval between the two beats. If you want it to be longer, you can slide it to the right. If you want it to be shorter, you can move it to the left. I'm just going to do 1 second and try that out. Select the arrow going down, and that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!